When two lanes are merging into one, merging is necessary. In situations of light traffic, a simple lane change to merge smoothly with the flow of traffic helps maintain normal speeds. In cases where traffic volume is low but average speeds are high, it is sensible for drivers to merge early. As traffic volume increases, many drivers tend to believe that the earlier they exit a blocked lane, the better. However, this is not the most effective approach. In moderate to heavy traffic, such behavior can lead to a backlog and potentially create negative sentiments, as early mergers may feel that other drivers are bypassing the line and merging just before the lane ends. This method is neither the most efficient nor the safest way to merge in heavier traffic conditions. The recommended approach for merging in heavier traffic is the zipper merge. In a zipper merge, drivers utilize both lanes fully until reaching the end of the merging lane, and then they alternate merging into the open lane. This method optimizes road space utilization and has the potential to reduce congestion by up to 40%. Moreover, it ensures that everyone reaches their destinations faster, which is a desirable outcome for all.